is here. And see, he's holding it a few moments. He's actually on the vertical. Okay, his head's a little twisted there. Not too far, Strider. See, now I'm not going to release because he's still trying to figure it out. There, he's straight. Okay, so I release. Watch yourself so you don't get stepped on. And we're going to walk off immediately. And there's that nice light perch. Don't get stepped on. There he goes. There he goes. We're going to fix his bit here. And then you can just circle around, okay, and push in so that he crosses. And this is to get him to yield to the pressure of your leg. It's actually a shoulder in on the circle. There you go. And see, the whole time he's stretching. Good boy, Strider. Good boy. Now keep my fingers right here at the girth. Okay, to ask him to continue to stretch. All the way down to the ground. Good boy. Good boy. Now, do you see this muscle right here? There's the top thigh muscle. Look how soft that is. And you can see that tendon. See how open he is at the pole?
Yeah.
The throat latch? Okay, so now what we're going to do, take the outside rein again while he's in position with his hind leg. He's not stepping on it, but that's okay. It's his bad one. And we're going to ask him to lift up and use this muscle right up here. And see, look, he's counterbent.
Yep.
Okay? Because he's worried about what's going on outside. This is a flight mode horse right now.
Yep.
Oh, he's scary. Look at the contact on my hand. He's not there.
There.
Okay. There he goes. Much softer, right?
Yep.
Okay. Much softer. He has Strider. Now he went back to flight. Look at his eyes. Oh, he's all excited. There.
He's like, where are my buddies going?
Oh, come on. And see, they turn it on and off all the time. And see, now, keep going, because look how excited he is right now.
Yep.
Okay, this is not a horse you want to be riding at the moment. Because this is like, woo, we're going. So, let's see if we can't get him back to a relaxed state at the moment. And this is where I'm going to keep my leg on. I keep the contact. Look at that contact. Okay. Now hold the outside rein more. There. Up into it. There we go. Now he's still counterbent, but he got lighter.
Yeah.
Okay. He's counterbent still. So we're going to put the leg back on him. There. Now he's trying to duck it. There. Look how soft. Okay, there you go. So we walk off. He's still counterbent, but it's better. Okay?
Yep.
There we go. Now let's get you chewing. There you go. Good boy. Okay, and we're going to take him down to the spooky corner. Just to deal with it. Okay, now, notice I've got the inside rein. Notice the contact. That's because he rose up and pulled against it. Woo! I'm going to switch hands and put my leg on him, and he started chewing again. Good boy, Strider. There you go, Sean. Look at his hind leg. Good boy.
Yep.
Alright. I'm gonna